There, JJ, it's recording.
Listen to this. Well, you gotta listen next year.
You can't do it. You can't. It's not gonna happen. Stop a camera shot.
Hi. Listen.
Hello. Did you even hear? We're here with Tessa.
JJ's right here.
You're a tiger. Like a tiger in the Amazon. She's like a tiger. She's like a tiger. Roar. Roar. She's like a tiger. She's like a tiger. All cameras come around here. Oh. Tessa, give me a few words. We're going to DiscoveryWild.com. Hello, man. I don't know. We're posting on the internet. Hello. This is gonna go really right. That'll be all for today's episode. I have to figure out how to stop it.